umaga sa inyong lahat. Today is our third day here in Manila. And hindi maganda yung pakiramdam ni Mishka. Actually, yesterday, medyo may sinat-sinat na siya. Pero nag-swimming pool pa din kami kasi gusto niyang mag-swimming pool. And pagdating pa lang namin, nag-aaya na siya na mag-swimming pool. So kahapon, pinagbigyan ko. Though, nung gabi, medyo ano na siya, mainit. So we'll let her rest now, and lalabas ako para bumili ng pandesal. Pakainin ko muna siya ng pandesal or kung ano makita ko doon na tinapay, and then I will give her medicine. Actually, from Patna guys, nagbaon talaga kami ng mga medicine. I think we have 3 syrup na binili sa kanya just in case magkalagnat siya dito, and now it's happening because of exhaustion. Maybe yung biyahe namin medyo nakakapagod. Actually, today we have plans of strolling around. Last night we were planning, but since hindi nga maganda yung kanyang pakiramdam, I don't know if we're really going. But ngayong umaga, I think some of our supporters will be coming here. So sabi ko kahapon before 10, andito pa kami sa accommodation, but now hindi kami sigurado if anong oras kami aalis or if makakaalis ba kami because hindi nga maganda yung pakiramdam niya. So, doon ako bumili sa Uncle John's pala guys kasi close yung pandesal shop. So, I got gardenia bread, chicken spread, and sabon pang laba. Meron silang washing machine dito. So, we can wash our dirty clothes mula doon sa India na binyahin namin. Gusto ni Mishka ng ano lang, plain na bread. Pero try ko na bigyan siya ng merong chicken. Mimi, Princess. Come on. Sit backside so you can rest. Here's your water, ha? Actually, katatapos ko lang mag-meet ng isang nagpasabay na follower din namin, and now we are waiting sa isang follower, supporter namin ng matagal na. So, may idadaan lang daw siya dito ngayon. So, we're waiting for her dito sa lobby. Hi, Tita. Hi, Tita and Tito. Say hi. Bless, bless, bless. Right hand, baby. Right hand, baby. Aww. Okay, see? Wow. What will you say? What will you say, Mimi?
How about this one? How about this one? See?
What will you say, Mimi? Louder, baby.
Oh.
What will you say to Tita?
Tita Lola.
Tita Lola. Thank you. You know, Tita gave that because she said you're a good student.
Yeah. You're smart, pretty.
Thank
This is
you.
for Mithi. And...
Anay Baya.
Ano ba yun?
Kinumpleto talaga ni Tita yung magpinsan. Yung pinsan. Sa anong pangalan, Tita?
Jenny Kabuwag.
Hello, Tita Jenny. Shout out na
Hello, Tita Jenny.
from Australia.
Yes, thank you for watching us.
Sino yung mga kaibigan natin,
Leia
Tita?
Manzanilla.
Hello po, Tita Leia.
O si
Tita
Alice.
Jenny, Tita Alice.
Oh, ito na si JM.
Thank you for watching and supporting our channel.
Mishka is sleepy. Thank you.
Alis na sila ni Tita and Tito. Thank you for visiting us. Nice meeting you, Tito. Thank you for visiting us. And thank you sa regalo. It's really so much. Yes. Here, Tito. You try the chicken gravy. Chicken, butter chicken. Thank you po, Tito. Tapos ako, guys, kasi bibili ako ng pagkain. Gusto ni Mishka soup. Dahil hindi na maganda yung kanyang pakiramdam. Gusto niya yung light lang na pagkain. So, yan yung MOA. I think may nakita ako dito kaninang Jollibee. Or yung nahanap ko yung mga Alpha Mart pa. Yung baka may rice and meals na tinitinda. Ang ganda ng location namin. Mainit nga lang. Parang nakakapanibago yung mag-vlog na naglalakad sa daan na wala masyadong tao. Usually kasi nakakahiya mag-vlog pag nasa labas kasi marami yung nakatingin sa'yo. Marami kang nakakasalubong, merong sa likod mo. Ngayon ito, solong-solo ko yung daan. Now you can appreciate the place kasi hindi crowded. Unlike sa India, masyadong madaming tao. Hindi pa kami nakapag Jollibee kasi mas prefer kahapon ng aking mag-ama yung Mang Inasal. Wala pa kaming chance makakain sa Jollibee. Hindi ko pa si Mishka napatry ng Jollibee and wala din siya sa mood ngayon. Wala pa siyang ganang kumain dito kasi fried. Tapos may sakit siya. Meron palang 7-Eleven dito. Sana may rice. Sa Uncle John's kasi parang limited lang din yung pagkain nila doon. Rice, fried chicken lang din. Parang nag-Jollibee ka lang din. Ito may meal sana. Yung binili ko lang sa 7-Eleven guys, rice. Tapos yung ulam namin is yung Mang Inasal kagabi. And yung sa kay Mishka, binilan ko siya ng noodles. Kasi gusto niya may sabaw. Wala na akong hanap na pwede may sabaw. So noodles naman. Pero tulog pa siya ngayon. So, ako muna yung kakain. Kompleto naman yung mga gamit dito sa condo. Kahit pa paano hindi tayo magugutom. Ganito pa kalaki yung chicken namin, guys. So, kung hindi ko siya dinala, sayang, di ba? Ito yung dinala namin na gamot para kay Mishka. Paracetamol. Oral suspension. Which one should we give her later, Han?
P2.
Pakakainin ko lang siya. Pero ngayon, ano pa siya natutulog. And naglalaba ako ngayon. Actually, meron pa akong gagawin. Yung mga regalo, guys. Ang dami na ng mga regalo namin, guys. We are so overwhelmed sa mga regalo na natanggap namin. So, again, thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Tingnan nyo naman, guys. 4 na paper bags yung natanggap namin na regalo today. This one is from MJ. MJ Reyes. Thank you so much. Meron siyang pasabay. Tapos, kinuha niya kanina. Tapos, meron siyang regalo for Mishka. Oh my gosh. Parang mas spoil ata yung anak ko dito sa Pilipinas, guys. Ang dami niyang regalong natatanggap mula sa inyo. Han?
She likes all these cute items.
Tapos may pa-letter pa siya, oh. Hello, baby girl. I hope that you will like this pink bag. If God will gift me a daughter, her name will be like yours. Enjoy your vacation here and hoping to see you in India soon. Online Tita MJ, thank you so much.
Sweet.
May bag, may movie. Parang ako yung makakain nito. Chips Delight. Ang dami naman. Doughy Donut. Maraming salamat, MJ. But I will keep this first. Kasi ang dami niyang natanggap na regalo din kahapon. Masyado na siyang overwhelmed ba. Ayaw namin na isipin niya na ang dami-dami niyang regalo. So next time, ayoko na mag-expect siya na every time ganito yung matatanggap niya. Yung baka ma-spoil siya. So I'm keeping this. But she will know that this is from one of the titas. And itong dalawang bags na to, guys, are from Tita Marivic and Tito. So yung isang bag na to is for Mishka. And ito is for Miti and Anibaya. pencil case na ang cute. Meron pang cute na notebook and pen. And then this one is for Anibaya, I think. Mickey Mouse. Tapos, merong cute na hair clips. Ayan. Thank you so much. Itago natin to kasi dadalhin ko sa India. Ito naman is for Mishka. Pink na pencil case. Nice ng color. Chan, another bag. Thank you. Ang cute-cute. Feeling ko, mas magagamit niya to pag medyo malaki-laki na siya ba. Yung parang may mga gamit siya na pwedeng ilagay. Kasi ngayon, puro laruan lang siya. Ang cute naman ito, oh. Glasses. Color pencils. Drawing book. Pencil. Eraser. Sharpener. Ang nice. Ito, pwede to namin sa sa aeroplano. Pang paano niya. Wala ng boredom. And hair clips. Thank you, Tita Marvic and Tito. Sila yung pumunta kanina. And then, ito naman guys, medyo mabigat. This is from Tita Olive Kale. Thank you, Miss Olive. Rose bowl and saba. Nakita niyo yung video ko last time na kumain ng sardinas. Last na yun na sardinas ko sa India, guys. Stationery items. Scissors na purple. This one, I don't know what is this one.
Pens.
Maybe pencil.
Maybe we'll have to buy extra baggage. Guys, we appreciate that you guys are showing your love, but it's really not necessary to give. And if you are coming, just one thing is enough. One pencil is also enough. You don't need to put
Get
this
her a lot
much effort.
of
It really,
gifts.
frankly saying, we are feeling kind of shy also to accept this much gifts. So even though we know that it's your love what you are showing to our family, but
It's
thanks
not
a lot.
necessary that you have to spend this much
This
just to
much.
give.
And
Mishka a
and
gift.
showing these gifts doesn't mean that any one of you are coming.
You
even
have
though,
to give us.
empty
It's
hand.
not necessary. I'm just showing this because I want to show our appreciation to everyone who have, spent something, who have shown their love through this. We are feeling shy that you are spending this much for us, guys. Especially for Mishka. And this face and body crayons. Most of these items, I'm going to keep because I don't want her to waste it. Kasi ang dami niyang nakikitang bago ba. Ayoko na hindi niya na-i-appreciate yung ibang bagay. So, dapat yung ibigay namin sa kanya is pakonti-konti lang ba. Yung hindi siya ma-overwhelm sa dami. And this one is Cat's Claw Crayons. Ito pala yung mabigat. Oh, washable poster colors. She will definitely love this. Kung nasa India lang kami, nagsimula na to siyang mag-painting. Reusable case. Case ng ano to? Okay. Eraser pack. And complete set. Sketch pad. Thank you so much. And then to JB, hope you enjoy your Philippines vacation. Peppermint and ginger massage rub cream. We can give Mishka this one, huh? Smells good. Smells good. You need this also. Sabi, hindi din maganda yung
Yeah, Vicks
pakiramdam.
also, no?
Yeah, it's like Vicks.
Yeah,
Peppermint and ginger. Look at this. Thank you so much. Kailangan namin to. Hindi maganda yung pakiramdam nilang dalawa. This one is... Uy! Daddy!
Ref magnets.
Yeah, ref magnets. Thank you so much. Han, this is customized keychain. Thank you, Miss Olive.
Thank you.
JB. Tingnan mo. Ay. Salamat ng marami. And Katingko oil liniment. Katin cute. Ay, Mishka, we can give this to her now, no? We'll give her massage. Ginger, patchouli, oil scents, liniment, calming.
Because if you open it in flight, you will have to seal it. tape and all those things.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Olive. As in, ang dami nito. So, thank you so much sa lahat ng inyong mga regalo. As in, we are so overwhelmed. Our baggage is also overwhelmed sa dami ng regalong natanggap namin from yesterday. So, thank you so much sa inyong lahat, mga titas and tito. Now, we have to figure out how to fix our luggage. Thank you. But you're feeling okay now? Earlier, you were feeling weak. Yummy.